Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to empty your trash on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently deleted many photos and files and we want to delete it from the trash can also. So basically in the iPhone, the empty trash is only the recently deleted option. So if you want to delete photos from the recently deleted, then you have to simply clear the photos from the recently deleted. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply delete any photo, and after that, you can simply search it in the recently deleted, and after that, if you select all, then all of your photos will be deleted, and moreover, you can also recover it from the recently deleted. So for this, you have to simply go to photos, and after that, you have to simply click on collections, and you have to click on recently deleted, and after that, you have to provide your face ID, because I have recently not deleted or recently deleted photos, so it is showing nothing. So if you have many photos which you have recently deleted, then you can simply select them all, and after that you can simply delete them all by clearing the trash on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.